Hey guys, Ray Comet here, and we're about a month in on the stay-at-home order for COVID-19. And I decided it's finally time to really dig in and start working on the first-person shooter game. So in this video, I'm going to be going through the health system that Manny, AJ, and I outlined back in episode 5 of our podcast. If you want to check out that episode, I'll link it in the video description below. Let's dive in. Alright, let's take a look at a few other game examples.
5 minutes remaining.
So, as you just seen in the gameplay footage we just looked at, one player shoots another player, they take damage, their health decreases, they die. We have a player who's going to shoot, assuming they hit the enemy, is going to trigger player 2 to get hit. We deal the damage. So in our health system, the first thing we're going to need to do is have a variable to store health. Then we're going to need some way to damage the player. And then we need some way to kill the player. And those are going to be our 3 basic steps for the beginning of the health system. After we kill the player, we'll need to do respawn. And that way we can check that our initial values for health and everything are getting set. Since we don't have multiplayer already, what we're going to do to damage the player is just create some kind of damage within the level. So like a fire or some kind of hurt box or something like that. So we're going to dive into the Unreal documentation and see what's there. I know I'm going to be applying this to the character class because the character is the person who's running back and forth and like you're controlling. So we're going to dig into the API reference and see if we can find anything useful there. After reading through all the documentation, I found a function that applies damage using Unreal's built-in damage system and physics, but it doesn't actually apply the damage to your health. That's the responsibility of our class that you're controlling as a character. We'll have a really detailed, documented version that's a full-on tutorial for implementing this health system up on our website. We'll link that in the video description below. But for the rest of this, I'm going to go ahead and take the function I just found, dive into the code, and start building out a basic proof of concept. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so we got the very first part of the demo done, and I'll go ahead and show it for you. What I have here is the health is displaying over here in the output log, and I'm standing inside of a hurt box right now and just drained all my health away. So if we take a look, you can see this box is a pain dealing box that's just built into Unreal, so I just threw that into the level over here under volumes, pain causing volume. We'll take a quick look at the code, but basically I added a new health property that you can edit from blueprints, and then I added some functions to get the health. I overrode the take damage function so that it actually takes health away. So you can see if our health is already 0, don't bother doing anything. If not, we're going to call the parent function and then do the damage, apply the damage to the health, blah blah blah. We log it when it happens. This doesn't work with multiplayer at all. Also, this doesn't kill you, you just lose all your health. Hey guys, unfortunately I didn't get death or respawn working in time for this video, so we'll go ahead and save that for the next one. And we'll also take a look at a heads up display. That also means we're going to wait to post the article on our website until the other video releases, and I'll come back and update the description in this one. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do. And if you could, share it with a friend, or give us a comment and let us know what other content you want to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.